As an information technology engineer working with AI, it is imperative that I consider both the pros and cons of this powerful technology to ensure its responsible and ethical development and deployment, while maximizing its potential benefits for society. What is artificial intelligence, AI, and why it is becoming increasingly important in our lives? AI is a field of computer science that focuses on creating machines and computer systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as recognizing patterns, making decisions, and understanding natural language. In recent years, AI has advanced rapidly and is now being used in a wide range of industries, from healthcare, finance, transportation, robotics, and others. As a result, AI is becoming increasingly important in our daily lives and has the potential to dramatically impact society in both positive and negative ways. Early AI research was focused on creating simple rule-based systems that could perform simple tasks, such as playing games or solving mathematical problems. Over time, AI has advanced rapidly, and the field has shifted its focus to machine learning, deep learning, and other techniques that allow AI systems to learn from data and improve over time. Today, AI is being used in a wide range of industries and applications, and its impact is being felt across society. AI is being used in a wide range of industries, such as healthcare, finance, and transportation, and is having a significant impact on these industries. For example, AI is being used to improve the accuracy of medical diagnoses, to detect and prevent fraud in financial transactions, and to optimize transportation networks. The current state of AI is rapidly evolving, and new applications are being developed all the time. Many call centers are using AI technology to improve customer service and efficiency. AI can be used in call centers in several ways, such as automated voice response, AVR, systems, chatbots, predictive dialers, and natural language processing. With the facts presented about AI, it is clear that the use of this technology can bring numerous benefits as follows. Increased efficiency and productivity. AI can automate routine tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on higher value-added activities and increasing overall productivity. For example, in industries such as manufacturing, AI-powered robots can perform repetitive tasks much faster and with greater accuracy than human workers. In customer service, AI-powered chatbots can handle simple inquiries and provide quick and accurate responses, freeing up human customer service representatives to handle more complex inquiries. Improved decision-making. AI can process vast amounts of data and provide insights and recommendations that can lead to better decision-making. For example, in finance and accounting, AI can analyze large amounts of financial data to identify trends, forecast future trends, and make recommendations for investment. In marketing, AI can analyze consumer data to identify target audiences and personalize marketing strategies. In healthcare, AI can analyze patient data to make personalized diagnoses and treatment recommendations. By processing large amounts of data, AI can identify patterns and trends that would be difficult for human workers to detect. This leads to improved decision-making and can help organizations to make more informed decisions that are based on data rather than intuition or gut instincts. Enhanced personalization. AI can be used to deliver highly personalized experiences, such as personalized recommendations, advertising, and entertainment. For example, in e-commerce, AI can be used to deliver personalized product recommendations based on a customer's past purchases and browsing history. In advertising, AI can be used to deliver personalized ads based on a consumer's interests and behavior. In entertainment, AI can be used to create personalized playlists, movies, and TV shows recommendations. The use of AI allows organizations to deliver highly customized experiences to each customer, improving their overall satisfaction and loyalty. By delivering personalized experiences, organizations can create a stronger emotional connection with their customers and differentiate themselves from their competitors. Improved healthcare. AI can be used to improve patient outcomes by providing doctors and other healthcare providers with better diagnostic and treatment recommendations. For example, AI can be used to analyze large amounts of patient data, including medical histories, lab results, and imaging scans, to make more accurate diagnoses. AI can also be used to develop personalized treatment plans, taking into account a patient's specific needs, medical history, and current condition. AI can also be used to monitor patient progress and detect any changes in their condition, allowing healthcare providers to take prompt action if necessary. Environmental benefits. AI can be used to reduce waste, improve resource efficiency, and mitigate the impact of human activities on the environment. For example, AI can be used to optimize energy consumption in buildings and industrial processes, reducing waste and improving energy efficiency. AI can also be used to monitor and manage resources, such as water and land, reducing waste and improving resource efficiency. In the transportation sector, AI can be used to optimize routing and scheduling, reducing emissions and fuel consumption. AI can also be used to develop and implement renewable energy systems, reducing reliance on fossil fuels and mitigating the impact of human activities on the environment. However, it is important to also consider the potential drawbacks of AI, such as job loss. AI has the potential to automate many jobs, potentially leading to widespread unemployment and income inequality. AI has the potential to automate many jobs, and some experts predict that widespread automation could result in significant job losses, particularly in sectors such as manufacturing, retail, and finance. The concern is that as AI systems become more sophisticated and capable of performing tasks previously performed by humans, many jobs may become redundant, leading to widespread unemployment. This could have a devastating impact on workers, leading to income inequality and reducing overall consumer spending, which in turn could negatively impact the economy. Bias and discrimination. AI systems can perpetuate and amplify existing biases, leading to unfair and unjust outcomes. For example, a facial recognition system trained on a dataset that is predominantly male and white may have difficulty accurately recognizing individuals from other demographic groups, leading to discriminatory outcomes. Similarly, an AI-powered hiring system trained on resumes from predominantly male candidates may have difficulty recognizing the qualifications of female candidates. It is important that organizations and individuals working in the field of AI are aware of these potential biases and work to mitigate them. Lack of accountability. It can be difficult to determine who is responsible when AI systems make decisions that result in harm or violate human rights. For example, consider an AI system that makes decisions about loan approvals. If the AI system is trained on biased data, it may result in discriminatory outcomes, denying loans to individuals who are qualified to receive them. It can be difficult to determine who is responsible for this harm: the AI system itself, the data scientists who trained the system, or the organizations that deployed the system. In addition, the complexity of AI systems can make it difficult to understand how decisions are being made, making it challenging to hold individuals or organizations accountable for the outcomes of AI-powered systems. Erosion of privacy. AI systems can collect, store, and process large amounts of sensitive personal information, leading to privacy violations. For example, AI systems can analyze large amounts of personal data to build profiles on individuals that could be used for purposes such as targeted advertising, surveillance, or even identity theft. Additionally, the use of AI systems can lead to the creation of large databases of personal information, which can be subject to cyber attacks, data breaches, and other privacy violations. Moreover, the accuracy of personal information in AI systems can also be a concern. AI systems can process vast amounts of information, but if the information they process is incorrect, this can lead to incorrect decisions being made based on that data. For example, if an AI system is used to process a person's medical information, but the system is based on incorrect data, this can lead to incorrect diagnoses or treatments being given to that person. Threats to physical safety. AI systems can malfunction or be used maliciously, leading to physical harm to individuals or communities. AI systems can be used maliciously by hackers, cyber criminals, or hostile nation-states, intentionally causing harm and disruption. As AI systems become more sophisticated and integrated into our daily lives, it is important to address the physical safety concerns they pose and ensure that adequate measures are in place to mitigate these risks. Misuse of AI systems can be used for malicious or unethical purposes, such as cyber attacks, autonomous weapons, or propaganda. For example, AI can be used to conduct cyber attacks, spreading false information, and manipulating public opinion, leading to loss of privacy, data breaches, and political destabilization. The development and deployment of autonomous weapons, capable of making decisions to use deadly force without human intervention, raise serious moral and ethical questions about accountability and the use of force. With the rapid advancement of AI technology, it is imperative to put in place safeguards and regulations to prevent its misuse and ensure responsible development and deployment. In conclusion, it is important to note that these pros and cons can be influenced by the specific context and implementation of AI, and that it is important to carefully consider these factors when developing and deploying AI systems. This section concludes the discussion by calling for continued dialogue and collaboration around the development and deployment of AI, and highlighting the importance of this issue for our future as a society. These recommendations may include specific policy proposals, industry best practices, or other actionable items that can help to mitigate the risks associated with AI and ensure its responsible development and deployment. The recommendations should be based on the key points discussed in the discussion and should be informed by the current state of the field and the best available evidence. Recommendations can be a valuable addition to the discussion, as they provide practical steps that can be taken to address the dangers of AI and ensure its responsible development and deployment. The AI singularity may be the moment when robots finally surpass humans, but don't worry, we'll always have the upper hand when it comes to unplugging them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on notifications for more exciting content.